you have to be in love with the sari. I personally love the sari, and honestly, these saris of yours, Chirag saris, are absolutely brilliant. So these saris are really, really beautiful, and I wish you all the possible luck with them. I think I already told you that there are so many pieces that I like. Choice is yours. Which ones you want to gift me now? Really? I didn't know that. But I think it's humble people like you who make us the big thing by giving us opportunities to, I think, showcase garments like these. And other than that, I think the aim is really not to be the big thing. The aim is just to do good work and keep doing good work. Yeah, I think like I said, to really be in love with the garment, to make it your own, and be absolutely comfortable with them. I think there are times when people think that you'll wear a sari and the first visual that somebody who's probably not worn a sari before is that the visual of somebody tripping with heels, because the garment is about few meters long. But I think the best thing is to really make friends with the garment, with the sari especially. I think it's beautiful. It's the most stunning Indian outfit ever possible. It's absolutely sexy and gorgeous, and I think the Indian female looks best in a sari with Chirag saris. It's a very big compliment. Thank you so much for that. I think you are saying that. I don't know about people. But I think it's a big compliment. First of all, thank you so much for that. But personally, I think the compliment is big enough for me to continue loving this outfit more than any other outfit. And I really wished, I think there are a lot of people, a lot of women in India who refrain from wearing saris. And so I think my personal request to them would be not to target to become the next Zeenat Aman, but really feel comfortable in carrying off and very confidently carry off the sari, because it's very difficult, really very difficult. The colors, the combinations, the work, I think it's very well thought of and put together. I think there was a very stunning golden black. I think the one with which I wore the kamarband. I would not wear the kamarband with it, but I think it was very queensly and looked very vintage if you style it right with the right hair and the right makeup. So I think that's subtle, classic, and another one where we did that shot near the wall, the black and white. I think that was also beautiful.